Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we've got some exciting news that's been buzzing around the tech world. Yes, you guessed it right. We're here to talk about the upcoming Google Pixel 8 Pro. The leaks and rumors are pouring in, and we've got some juicy details to share with you all. So, grab your popcorn and let's dive right in. The Google Pixel 8 Pro is shaping up to be quite the showstopper. We're looking at a gorgeous 6.70-inch display with a stunning 1440 by 3120 pixel resolution. This means you're in for a visual treat with crisp and vibrant colors, perfect for all your entertainment needs. Just take a look at this beauty. The sleek design and that rumored blue color option, it's definitely going to turn heads. But that's not all, folks. Now, here's something intriguing. The leaked promo video hints at a feature called the Audio Magic Eraser. This sounds like pure wizardry, right? Well, this feature might just be the solution to all your noisy video troubles. Imagine being able to effortlessly remove unwanted background noise from your video clips. This could be a game changer for content creators and anyone who loves recording videos on the go. The cameras. A smartphone's best friend. The Pixel 8 Pro is rumored to sport an impressive camera setup. On the back, we're talking about a powerful triple camera arrangement. Get ready for a 50-megapixel primary camera, a 64-megapixel secondary camera, and a 48-megapixel third camera. This setup promises stunning detail, clarity, and versatility for all your photography adventures. And trust me, the camera samples we've seen so far are jaw-dropping. Whether it's low-light shots or breathtaking landscapes, the Pixel 8 Pro seems ready to deliver. Now, let's talk about what's under the hood. The Google Pixel 8 Pro is rumored to be powered by the Google Tensor processor, an octa-core powerhouse that promises smooth multitasking and blazing fast performance. Plus, with a whopping 12 GB of RAM, you can wave goodbye to those pesky app crashes. But that's not all. You're getting a generous 128 GB of storage to keep all your apps, photos, and videos right at your fingertips. And the software front, the Pixel 8 Pro is set to run on Android 14. Bringing you the latest features and improvements from the Android ecosystem. And speaking of improvements, how about that IP68 rating? Dust and water protection, it's like having a suit of armor for your phone. And for those who love to express themselves, the Pixel 8 Pro is rumored to launch in 3 stunning colors, hazel, obsidian, and snow. I mean, who wouldn't want a phone that matches their style, right? Last but not least, let's talk connectivity. The Pixel 8 Pro is said to support Wi-Fi 802 2.11, GPS, and USB Type-C. And of course, with active 4G on both SIM cards, you'll stay connected wherever you go. Well, there you have it, folks. The Google Pixel 8 Pro is shaping up to be an absolute beast of a smartphone. From its stunning display and camera prowess to the intriguing Audio Magic Eraser, there's a lot to look forward to. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more exciting tech updates. Until next time, stay tuned and stay geeky.